When it comes to web hosting, Bluehost versus Liquid Web, which has better customer support, is a question many people are asking, and you're about to find out. Both companies have their strengths, but in this video, we'll dive into how each handles customer service and support, and by the end, you'll know which one really stands out for your needs. First off, let's talk about availability. Bluehost offers 24/7 support, which is great for anyone who needs help at odd hours. However, despite their round-the-clock availability, many users report longer wait times, especially during peak hours. You could end up waiting for 20 minutes or more before you're connected with a representative. Not ideal if you need an urgent resolution. Next thing, the quality of support. When you reach out to Bluehost, you're mostly getting general support, and while they have a lot of knowledge articles, the live chat responses can sometimes feel a bit scripted and impersonal. Not exactly the personalized service you'd want when you're facing a problem. On the other hand, Liquid Web boasts a higher tier of customer support. Known for offering heroic support, Liquid Web's team is praised for their expertise. They often go beyond just solving your issue and offer proactive advice. The downside? This premium support comes at a higher price, as Liquid Web services tend to be more expensive than Bluehost's. So, while you're getting expert-level support, it's going to cost you more. The fourth thing to consider is the channels of communication. Bluehost offers phone, live chat, and email support, which is great, but there's no denying that their phone support isn't as fast or responsive as you'd expect for a popular hosting provider. In comparison, Liquid Web also provides multiple channels including phone, chat, and email, but they have a dedicated account manager available, which is a huge advantage if you're running a more complex site or business. This personalized support can be a game changer. Next up, response times. Bluehost, as mentioned, can have some delays in their responses. Liquid Web, however, has earned a reputation for speedy replies. Their phone support is often quicker, and when you're working with them on chat or email, they get right to the heart of your issue with minimal back and forth. Another key factor is the customer reviews. While Bluehost does have a large customer base with a generally positive sentiment, many users report mixed experiences with the consistency of their customer service. Some people love it, others feel like their issues weren't fully resolved. Liquid Web, on the other hand, has earned consistently high marks for its dedicated support team and quick resolution times, though again, their services are not as affordable as Bluehost's. Now, let's touch on self-help resources. Bluehost offers a wide range of tutorials, guides, and a knowledge base, which is a strong point for new users who prefer to figure things out on their own. Liquid Web also has an extensive knowledge base, but given their focus on managed services, they offer much more hands-on support, so the self-help resources aren't as emphasized. Lastly, let's talk about scalability. If you're looking to grow your website or business, you might need more hands-on support as your needs evolve. While Bluehost has decent options for scaling, Liquid Web is far more focused on high-end solutions for businesses that require more personalized support as they grow. This makes Liquid Web a top choice for those who need tailored solutions with their customer service, especially in high-stakes environments. So, both Bluehost and Liquid Web offer solid customer support, but Liquid Web consistently stands out for its expert, fast, and personalized service. While Bluehost may be a better choice for those on a budget or those just starting out, if you're looking for top-tier, heroic support, Liquid Web is likely your better option. But after trying both, I have to say, there's a better alternative out there. If you want a support experience that's not only fast, but also deeply personalized, check out the first link in the description for a free trial of the best option available. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Give it a try, and you'll see the difference for yourself.